Two bass boats come in. These guys here coming in. I think we got here at a good time today. It should be pretty wild out here. It's busy like usual, all down the road, both sides of the road. They might have had a tournament today, I'm not sure. I have no idea. It's about the time to start coming back in, but you know, I don't know. I'm not sure what's happening over there, but wow, different. Trailer coming there. We just got through a week of rain here, so we're just kind of coming off of that. Okay, trailer coming right there. Guy's headed up towards the parking lot now. He might have went to get the trailer. Okay, another bass boat in over there. Sea-Doo out up there. Wow. I hope it's not getting that pole. Trying to get it all tied down still. Oh, man. He's still getting it over there. Oh yeah. Kind of stowing things away there, I guess. Well, he's going that way, so it kind of looks like a tournament maybe. Oh yeah. Waiting for that guy to get back there. These guys might need a room over here or something. I'm not sure what's going on. Trailer coming for this boat. Got a 90 on there, a Yamaha 90. Just going around that way. Comes another bass boat in over there. I see him coming in the bushes there, that tree that hangs out there. Making it in. That's a pretty bass boat. Went riding through the parking lot up there. I don't know if he's coming this way, but nah, it's a red and metallic. Boy, I wish I could have showed that to you. All right, here's this lady comes. Hang on, bass boat right there. Just made it up too. Yeah, very good. She's done that a few times. You can tell that. Waiting on the trailer there. I think they got it, I think. Okay, good job. Good team right there, very good team. Yeah. Another bass boat in. Boy, that wind is going. I hope you can hear me all right. Wow. Hang on, here we go. Not sure what's happening. Whoa, hear that? Another boat in. Yeah. Liberator. I think that's what it says there. Get it. Get it. I don't know if this is the boat ramp crybaby coming in, but it certainly looks like the boat. They out of here though. Wow, what a boat here. A Gambler says on it. HUD Gambler. Yeah. Oop, let's get back here. Nice. We got like 3 different bass boats sitting there waiting. Look out. Sea-Doo's out there making a move around. Another boat in right there. Okay. I think his trailer's coming too, because he just put his trolling motor down. He's going to take the trolling. Maybe just cleaning the trolling motor off, maybe. He would be in the trailer, it comes off, the boat comes off the trailer, he'd take it out and warm it up. By the time I got back, he was always back though. So that's what they're doing. Wow, look at that boat like that. Huh. I wonder what they call that. Wow. Man. That one that the guy was working on the motor over there, now he can't get it started. Alright, they got up there. I hope that's not messing that up. Big boating over there. Oh my, look at all the people. Wow. A lot of people on there. I have no idea where the bass boats are gonna go. Oh yeah. Boat out. Look what's happening, guys. Look what's happening. Boats everywhere. Hey man. Okay, going south. I guess they're going to the other side. I think that's what they're gonna do. Looks like a lot of them will go to the other side, I thought. Okay.
Good footage there or what?
A little bit. Huh?
Any Karens today?
No, not really. Been pretty good.
What
Good
do you
day.
call the guys? I forget what you call the guys.
Yeah.
Karens and
It's been pretty good today.
today?
Yeah. Must have been a tournament, I guess.
Oh yeah, bass tournament.
Yeah, boy, oh boy, boats everywhere. I hope he caught a lot of nice fish out there. So.
Caught a few of them.
Boy, they changed the boats so much, you know?
Oh yeah, they have for sure.
I like how it's all like a platform to work on, you know?
Yeah, big old deck.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Guy right behind us here. Okay, red boat coming in. That's one of those express type boats. They made it in. Madness at the ramp. This guy is talking to a pretty nice guy. Express is what his boat is there. bass boat right behind him, ready to hop on the trailer. Oh, look out, the guy on the left's kind of crossing up there a little bit. Here comes that big boat. This guy's making it on over here. Boy, that wind's a kicking, guys. That wind's a kicking here. Look out! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Well, will I get the number one today? These Key West boats, guys, always seem to like to give me the number one. Kind of waiting on the trailer. Pontoon coming in. Boy, it looked like it slowed down and then all of a sudden it's going crazy again. Everybody's trying to make it around here. This might be for the big boat, maybe. I seen our friend come in. I don't know where he got to. Not sure what's happening. Waiting for the guy to get back. I guess what's going down. Oh yeah, have fun out there. Go get that fish weighed up. I don't know if you can see that or not. A friend with a cowboy hat. He's a pretty cool guy. Boy, I've known him for a long time out here. Hopefully that pole isn't gonna. All right, we got this boat here trying to make it to the trailer. His trailer's come in. We got that boat on the top right there. They just come up in here. Okay, they're trying to get up. And then we got that other big boat right there. On the left right there. He's trying to get lined up for his trailer right there. Heck. Look out there. Oh, look out. I heard something. I don't know if they have those locks on there too, but